Hello, this is the Transformers Dark of the Moon Cyberverse, and it's Starscream Orbital Assault Carrier. It's level 1 and 3-in-1 action set. So here's the back. It has launching missiles and a package becomes an action scene, and the instructions of making the package become an action scene is right here at the bottom. And also you can see it's also available. The Bumblebee mobile battle bunker is also available. And sold separately. It also converts into 3 kinds, 3-in-1 converting action set, and yep. So collect, convert, and battle the entire Transformers universe. So here's the technical data of Starscream. Strength is 8, intelligence 4, speed 10, endurance 7, rank 9, courage 5, fire blast 8, skill 8. And let's open it up now. So okay, so I just got the scissors and open it up. So here it is. So there's Starscream with the assault carrier, orbital assault carrier. So let's just cut the parts so they come off. And kind of like cut out. So okay, so here there, so Starscream looks kind of different here because he has a different design, a different kind. So here, let's just put this up. Okay, and yep, this one's color is gold. And yeah, it's a different kind of Starscream. And yep, so here's the one like a gun. It's the gun, and the bullet is right there, right here. So we'll take that out later. Here, let's take this one out. Okay, so here it is, the assault carrier. Here's the assault carrier, and here's the instructions and transforming Starscream, and also this one. So there, it's there is also at the back. So here's the one, the action scene. So we're not really gonna, I'm not gonna make this I'm not gonna make it an action scene now, but yeah, so I'll just put it right here. Okay, so yeah, here it is. Here's the bullet right there. So you have to take the tape out and get the bullet. So okay, wait. I'll just X something right here, okay. And yeah, yes. so this one doesn't really go out there. Okay, there it is. So you put the bullet inside here, and just push this one right here, so it will fire like this. Okay, so you kind of moves. So here you can put Starscream under here when it's transformed like that. So you put Starscream in. You still have to transform Starscream, so you can put him in here. So you transform into F-22 Raptor mode. Put this down. There. Okay, so just kind of look at the instructions. Okay, so yeah, right here. So let's just fix this one right. Oh no, right here. There. Okay, and you put him right here. You put it here. So it opens from the back here. And remember that his this part right here, the cockpit part, or like the front, faces the back, right, like that. So I'll just have to try to put it in here. So it's kind of hard to put this in here, but because it doesn't really fit. But right there, okay. It's loose, so you can see it's like that. And let's just make this, put it like that. And put this. You have to put this up like that. So yeah, and also you also have to bring this down like that. Okay, so you can transform this in 3 ways. So this is one is the first way. This is another way. So this one's 1, and 2. Second way, so you can also put this up and put the missile, put the bullet in here, and put it right here. So there. And you can also put it in here on the left side. There. And you can put Starscream on the, like this part right here, and make him sit down or stand up and do some firing things. And then you can also do this. Okay. You can also fire the bullet like that. So, and the third is like this. So you just have to put this down, take this one out, this, that. So there. And put that like that. it goes like that. Okay. And then Starscream is going to be in F-22 Raptor mode. So you put him on top here. Here. This one up. There. So those are the three ways you can transform it. And yeah. So and you can also put this one right here. Okay, so you can put in, and yeah, so the parts come off easily, but you can put them back. So okay, so yeah, let's just put this one back. Okay, so okay, and this one is you can see there's like it's kind of old, but that's the design. So you can also put this one right here like this. So it's just okay like that, and put it like that. You can put it somewhere here. You can also put it right there. So yeah, so that's all, and just put this right here. So that's all, and thank you for watching, and bye.